on this episode, we got exhaust fans up there. The exhaust fans in the kitchen aren't working. The makeup air was blowing. So, one thing I want to check is before I go on the roof in the rain, is to make sure. Geez, I don't have anywhere to put you. You stand right there. Oh, and it's starting to pour. Oh, jeez. Hold on a second. So, those exhaust fans are interlocked with the makeup air. So I want to find out if I have power going to the exhaust fans first before I get up there. But it's raining, so let me hold off a second, let the rain pass. Let me look at the radar. Well, as you can see, it's raining. Got a little schematic here. Crap, I gotta go get my glasses because I can't see. Hold on. Stupid GoPro. But if I look at my schematic, I got two exhaust fans on the roof. Got M2 and M3 contactor. And right here I got M2 and M3 is not marked. So I got power coming in there, power going out, power coming in there, out there, and looks like they got one, they're running off one contactor on the roof. Maybe they don't. I got a main disconnect here, that goes there. This is the power side here. Let's turn it on. This one and this one. So doesn't look like interesting. Oh, you guys are just hanging out here. That darn reset button right there, and I heard the fans go on upstairs. Hold on, let's see. the fan motor. These these are the exhaust fans upstairs. There they go, start up. And trip the breaker. So I got something going on. It looks like only one fan's running. So let me get up there and see what's it's actually doing or not doing. Oh, you're on my head here. I got Mike's ladder. Mike's out here. He's cleaning makeup air filters over there. He's coming up on the roof in a minute here. Oh, am I going to be tall enough to even work on it?
At least it has latches instead of screws and stuff.
I don't know about that one.
That's the opposite.
Yeah.
I'm going to probably need a 90.
Stubby? I got a stubby. I don't know which one's which here. Which one I'm hearing come on.
I had to imagine this is a big one. This one feels hot.
Well, they're cooking. Turn the power off.
You want me to start doing that one?
Yeah. You stubby?
Yeah. Instead of me getting my 90.
This is a newer exhaust fan. Looks to be. Ooh, it's hot down there. Holy smokes. If I'm gonna guess, it's this hunk of junk. Or we could be wrong and it could be that hunk of junk. At least they're not total nasty grease. Like the frickin' Chinese place.
It's all that pigeon.
Pigeon? No, they're getting beach chicken, seagulls. Beach chicken. Alright, lift her on up there. Oh, you got water in the motor. Huh, nice. Oh, yeah. That's special. But it's weird, it's like I got one contactor and two motors. I don't know.
That belt's almost split.
Yeah.
Split. It's hanging on for its dear life.
I don't smell anything funky besides they're cooking. Do me a favor, go downstairs. In that makeup air, you'll see 3 contactors right in a row. It's the middle contactor. Hit the reset button on the contactor.
In the middle, in this makeup air?
Yeah. Where's my bit? So we'll see which one starts and which one don't. See a sparks fly. Boy, oh boy. You know, this place, you always find the cheapest contractors to come in here, and then they call us to fix it. You'll see the 3 white contactors right there. See them?
Yeah, hit the reset.
Yeah, hit the reset. All right. We got a bad motor. We got a bad motor. She's humming and strumming away. Bad motor. Well, let me see if I can call and get this motor, and geez, oh Pete's, what am I going to do with this effing thing? I'll just, you know what, I'll let it pop the breaker. Let it pop the breaker. Then I know I don't have any power up here. There we go. Shut the motor up. It popped the switch downstairs, so. Huh.
New motor, new belt.
New pulley. Right here. This pulley's a little, we can deal with that pulley, but this pulley is shot.
Wouldn't it be better to do a new exhaust hood at that point?
They're not going to pay for it. Oh man, I wonder, can this switch, that switch can't go back in there. I wonder if I can get an box extension, put it on here, and get a box cover for this. So, you know what I'm talking, you ever see those box extensions?
Yeah, they're like plastic or metal.
They're metal. We get a box extension, get a cover, and get that all secured into place. Switch works. But I gotta get a motor.
4L220 belt.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, my supplier doesn't have this motor. He's got to get it shipped in. It's 3-phase. I didn't realize it was 3-phase. So what we're going to do, just to get him one exhaust fan, is we're going to disconnect this puppy and get into this mess, which I really don't want to do. I don't want to do it, but I'm going to have to get a box extension. Got to get a box extension and get a plate for this. Turn it off, Mike. Yeah. You know. Oh, jeez. Oh, what kind of... What is that? A 3-phase switch? Oh, baby. Okay. Let me just check for power. Shit, I'm losing everything here. It's a 3-pole switch, dude. I've never seen a switch like that before.
You have voltage there?
It's saying no.
You're not on it. Your red lead.
It's saying no power there. Assuming we have power somewhere. Okay. Well, the switch works. So I'm gonna keep the switch. Won't fix it if it's not broke. It looks like those 3 leads go to the motor, and that's it, Mike. So we will have this. Disconnect the motor leads.
And the ground.
Yeah, the ground should be okay. It must be spliced in a box somewhere. Holy crap, it's hot in there.
Yeah, it is.
All right, so let's at least go turn. Let's at least go turn this one on. But okay, so go throw it back on. Make sure this one starts up. At least we get something.
So just turn the makeup air right on.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you gotta order parts, especially where I'm at. We'll make sure this other one comes on. I gotta remind Mike to hit the reset. You gotta hit that. Yeah, turn it on and then you hit the reset. Alright, we got something. Got something. Right on. Alright, it's a crappy day and raining. But had to order that motor because they do not have that in stock. That's a, you know, it's a 3-phase 230 460. We're going to, well, get a motor, new pulley. I'm gonna get an extension box to put on that existing box that's there and get a switch plate cover, so it kind of tidies that up because that's a little sketchy. Other than that, for some reason I was looking at the video and I got some kind of weird humming noise on there, so I hope you guys don't. Hopefully I can filter that out in editing, maybe. We'll see what happens. But other than that, we'll have to get a follow-up video on it. And at least they got one. They got one exhaust fan, and it's better than none. But the makeup air is running, and one exhaust fan. So that's it for this one. Until we get the follow-up. And like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.